Arutperunjothi Agaval. Arutperunjothi Agaval, lines 93 and 94. பாணி பிளதாய் பரவினோர் கருள்புரி ஆணி பொன்னம்பல அருட்பெருஞ்சோதி. For Arutperunjothi Agaval, Dindigul Swami Saravanananda has written English translation. Gold is precious for its high value. Its material value alone is held high by worldly materialists. Its medicinal value is much known as Siddha chemists. Its medicinal value is much known to Siddha chemists. Alchemists try to transform mercury and base metals into gold. Genius or genuine alchemists want not to make metal gold, but he wishes to transform his material physical body itself into a state of highest purity like the purity of the gold. Just like pure gold cannot be defiled, the divine pure body becomes dematerialized and indestructible for a long time. This process is thought most valuable and attainable by higher yoga siddhi. But this attainment is not so valuable as of omnigracious immortalization. Our Vallalar, by almighty grace, has obtained that life of pure divine, blissful state. Henceforth, this attainment is divinely pure gold. The temple of Arutperunjothi is said to be of divinely pure gold. This is mentioned as Anipun Ambalam. The purity or fineness of gold is measured by some conventional method. We know the pure gold is of 24 carats or 10.5, 10 and half, not true. How the calculations were arrived at is not known to the ordinary people by the spiritual divine realization. The basic truth on which these calculations were made is revealed. Divine soul and gold. God Almighty is Himself filled in the whole space, and He is presenting Himself with all His power in each and every small particle filled in the vast space. But His presence is not cognizable externally, so it is to be realized in the innermost. Because He is said to be of supreme purity and eternal, He is compared to the pure gold. But His purity and power and divinity are in no way comparable to the pure gold of the mundane world. The divine in the innermost is permanent and all-powerful light. It is said that in the beginning was Word, which was also God. When this gold Word is light up by His omnigrace, the God and Word becomes gold and world. We see here that the letter is L, or L is interspersed in each penultimate alphabet. The sun that lights up the world is termed as Sol in Latin, and it is called gold. In our inner world of wisdom, Sol, sun, becomes soul of the divine gold. Besides, the soul in Tamil can be pronounced as short-sounded soul meaning word. From the divine soul of us, our life and body have been evolved by male and female essence or sperm and ovum. There are A-U-M in the word Om, and these three are found into our body, 8 span in length, 2 kinds of life air, and 6 developed knowledge of soul. Therefore, these three combined together to form Om, product of ourselves. 8 into 2 into 6 is equal to 96. The letters and numbers in Tamil have beginning and ending with A and terminated into M. when the sound of 1,000 comes. This 1,000 is the place where our divine soul is light up. The space above the soul 1,008 is the light and power of God in realization. This is the temple of divine gold of 1,008 matru or fineness. This divine experience is practicable by the inner male substance. Therefore, this inner gold's purity represents masculine character, and hence this divine pon is said to be Anipon. We know An as masculine. The inner gold is realized as Anipon, and so the outer body must be regarded as to have come out of material golden light, unseen particle of the universe. This body of 96 tattvas is between the inner divine gold of 1,108 matru and the outer gold of the world 10.5 matru. The quotient of 1,008/96 is equal to 10.5. From this number, 10.5 matru also means to a devotee matru, that is change. We come to know that this body of man is to be Pattarai Matru Tangam, changed into divine gold of God, which is of immeasurable matru, filling the whole universe. In the man of realization, the divine gold temple is made up of Anipon of 1,108 matru fineness. As this is unit of measuring the brilliancy of gold is reckoned as 10.5, that is 10.5, and that of divine gold is beyond estimate by anyone. Here we have to note another point about the fineness of gold in a different measurement of the world. They say the pure gold is 24 carats finer. The number 2 is our soul tattva, connoting as the pure gold in brilliance or the light representing the hours of the day. Just like the soul or sun of microcosm is shining, our soul is in our small universe of microcosm. Both the inner and outer light of gold have come to mingle in us to give gracious life. To our Vallala, Anipon Ambalam has become the eternal abode. From this, he was graced by Arutperunjothi God. To him who worships this God in the temple of God, gold, his gracious is deigned, reality, readily. The word Panipu Iladai, without any delay. If a man of pure divine love and single-mindedness transcends to the temple of pure gold, he will be readily offered the divine grace which will make his life blissful. Arutperunjothi, Arutperunjothi, Thanipperum Karunai Arutperunjothi, Dayavu.